Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying demand fast. Talk to 10 customers and create a landing page with an email capture. Once done, pick one core feature that actually solves their pain and plan an MVP you can build in 2-4 weeks. Make sure to choose a stack that minimizes infrastructure work, serverless or managed hosting, so you can focus on product, not servers. You'll iterate using real feedback, not guesswork, which speeds monetization later. You build the MVP with analytics and one clear conversion event, sign up or paid purchase, and instrument it before launch. Then launch soft to about 50 users, observe behavior, run short interviews, and gather quantitative usage. Once you see patterns, prioritize features that increase retention or conversion. Make sure to introduce simple pricing, freemium or $5.49 per month tiers, and run a/B tests to find what converts. Repeat short development cycles and ship weekly improvements based on metrics. You scale revenue by optimizing retention and acquisition together. Refine onboarding, send 3-timed follow-up emails in the first 2 weeks, and measure cohort retention. Once conversion metrics are stable, scale paid channels or partnerships only if customer acquisition cost is less than 1/3 of lifetime value. If growth stalls, run usability tests, watch recordings, and simplify the core user flow. Often a confusing step kills conversion. Finally,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.